Can you see? Very, very fragile. Some of them are different. Alberta, Canada, hi, welcome. It's incredible, right? Do you know a family named Gorga? No, I don't. Where is about? Classical Colomba, of course. I have a lot of Colomba here. We love Colomba. Delaware, welcome. We are preparing an Italian recipe. My mom and my grandma. I will send the ingredients on Twitter. Yes, follow Ross Caneva on Twitter. I will give you all the recipe. If it's not enough here. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. I thought they are from Milano. Oh well, but you know, a lot of people in Milano. Maybe if they are not my age, I don't know them. We have almost finished here with the eggs. Gracias, io igual. Ciao, ciao. It's a new day. Yeah, I hope so. I want to be positive. I'm very happy. And guys, what time there? Maria, what time is it? I think almost 7 o'clock, something like that. Not sure. Yeah, with a glass of wine. I usually red white wine when I cook. Like how many people are you serving? Just 3 people. My mom, it's okay. Yesterday she became 86 years old. Almost 7 o'clock. Thank you. You seem a nice person. Thank you. I try to do my best. It's not easy, guys. You know, we all are bad and good, and it's a fight, but I'll do my best. Happy birthday to my mama. Yeah. What food do you not like? For example, anchovies. My mom puts happy birthday, thank you, to my 86 mama in quarantine alone. She always does this recipe for me. And so this year I want to do in her honor. I want to cook this recipe. It's my second time. I usually eat her egg pasqualine, but this time I want to be, you know, in her honor. Right. So I show you. Let me take a. Now, I wish you were my mom. I show you how is it now. The white part in a dish. You see? Sorry, it's like that. Empty, right? And here you have all the red part. So keep going on. In the dish. My mom usually puts something in the middle. You can put, I don't know, vegetable or whatever you want. Or you can fill the dish with eggs. It depends how many people you have to serve. If you are 5, 6, it depends. Now, you have all the yellow part in here. You put the tuna. It's 250. The weight is 250 grains. This is for 3 people. But it's just the beginning, and you have also ham. You have also mortadella. You have a lot of stuff, you know. Tomorrow it's Easter. For Italy, it's a huge stuff, huge party. On the Food Network with your own show. Oh, well. Then capers, if you like. And remember, in Italy, we like capers under salt. We don't like the with vinegar. It's not the same taste. Sometimes when they do pizza, they put these capers under vinegar. I don't know if you have ever tried. but this one are the real capers under salt, and they come from Sicily. The best one are from Salina, and they are huge. But also this one, small, under salt, very good. No under vinegar. Right, so then mayo. You can do your own mayo. If you have time, you can create your own mayo. I usually love capers. I'm crazy for capers. You can create your own mayo if you like. If you don't have time, like me, you buy this one. Yes, I do. I cook my own dough for sure. So it's about three of these for mayo, like that. Ma io sto facendo una cosa, se non urli, grazie. So maybe that's I don't like capers because I haven't. Yeah, you know that can be a very important stuff. Under vinegar, no good at all. I don't like capers under vinegar. You know, the taste is completely different. It's another, I don't know, it's very cheap as a taste. I don't like it. This one are different. You have to wash them a lot because are under salt. I wash it for 10 minutes or I put it in the water, right? So they are not too salty. Ravioli with ricotta, sure, very good. And our best ingredients, olive oil. Go with the olive oil. Also very good olive oil. Try to buy a good olive oil. This is the best for a Mediterranean diet. You know, you use a lot of oil. We use less butter. And now you have this. Let me show you. This is what you have. Exactly, extra virgin. The best oil comes from in Spain, for example. This is not right. There are a lot of very good olives coming from Spain. A lot of good olives coming from Italy. Also, you know, wherever you find good olives, the oil you have to be very careful. Extra virgin. The smell of the oil, and sometimes the taste, it's a little bit spicy when you have it like that. Healthy food too, yes. So now you can do it either here or with a blender. I don't have the blender here. I have it, but I don't know where is it. So I do it with my hand. And I like this recipe also because if you like, you can put anchovies here. You know, if you like anchovies, perfect. Flower oil, do you like? No, because it's chemical, you know, it's not real natural. Cold pressed olive oil is the best. Cold pressed olive oil, absolutely yes. So you have to create something really fluid, but not too much. Now let me work and I show you. The smell, it's delicious. Where is it, my glass of wine? This one is perfect with red wine or with sparkling wine. Relish instead of pickles. Yeah, if you don't like, I like pickles, for example. But just as a garnishment at the end, you cut it and put it not inside, outside. My mother used anchovies because she likes the taste. You know, the color have to be uniform. The yellow and the tuna. Not too much. We have dinner at 9 p.m. Yes, you know, Maria, sometimes when I'm in quarantine, I eat very late in the night, or like in Spain, You eat very late in the night, you know. Who is talking? It's, you know, I'm here with Renato, in Renato's house. It's not my house. And he's shouting like a crazy. He's speaking with his friend. I think about soccer. Renato, stanno sentendo tutti, puoi abbassare la voce. You know, Italian speaking about soccer. When it's ready, I need to put a little bit more olive oil. No salt, because you have the capers, remember? Renato is funny, yes. Hi, Belfast, welcome. We are cooking eggs pasqualine. Have you been to Canada? Yes. I've been to Vancouver, I've been to Montreal, to Quebec. I really love Canada, really. I think it's a great country. Incredible quality of life. Beautiful nature, like in the States though. Mi prudono I piedi. Sorry. Grattali. Have you been to India? Yes, sure. Just to Kerala though. Talk about sports for a little bit, yes. You know, I'm a woman. Now, when you have reached something like